Research showed that hand-rubbed soil-based biodiversity powder increases the diversity of intestinal and skin microbiota. 14 volunteers, healthy adults, aged 27 to 63 years, living in the city, massaged forest soil powder to their hands 3 times a day for 2 weeks. The intention was to maximize microbial diversity. They were instructed to wash their hands with the tap water without soap. They collected a stool sample before, at the end of the exposure period, and 3 weeks after the end of the exposure. A swab sample was also taken from the skin of the arm, and the blood samples were collected. The study found that the exposure to microbes for only 2 weeks significantly increased microbial diversity of urban dwellers. Although the exposure was made through the skin, the changes were even seen in the poop of the subjects. No side effects were observed.